Namaskaram. I am Sujata Vijayaraghavan, and I am here to welcome you to a rendition of Devi Navaratnamala by Srimati Lalita Santanam and Srimati Bhuvaneshwari Rajagopalan, sisters who perform under the name Satur Sisters. Their father, Satur A.G. Subramaniam, was a renowned Vidwan of the 1950s, 60s and 70s and travelled all over India, performing widely. He had been trained by doyens at the Annamalai University, doyens like Tiger Vardacharya, Sabe Sayyar and Ponnaya Pillai. And his music was renowned for the classicism, the classical values. With his powerful and highly musical voice, his concerts were always a success. And he never diluted the values of his music at any point of time. He was known for his Patantaram, not only from what he had learned, but what he had himself later on collected, assimilated. And he had a band of disciples. My mother, Anantalakshmi Sadagopan, being one of them, Sitamani Srinivasan, Sulochana Pattabhiraman, Musiri Rangarajan, Sirhari Subramaniam, Jayaraman, Natarajan, Ettayapuram Narasimhan, and many others. And of course, his own daughters, Lakshmi Sundaram, Lalita Santanam, and Bhuvaneshwari Rajagopalan. He has composed music for a number of compositions, from Kritis, Virittams, and songs by Bharatiyar. But he has not chosen to set to music any of the shlokams. What is going to be rendered today is by Adi Shankara. Why did Sri Subramaniam make an exception by setting music to this? We can surmise that there was a reason behind what he did. It is addressed to Shyamala Devi, who is also known as Rajashyamala. In Lalita Sahasranamam, she is referred to as Geya Chakra Ratharuda Mantrini. She is like a minister to Devi. In fact, an amsham of Devi herself. And she holds the veena in her left hand and a parrot in her right hand. The veena represents music and the parrot represents the Vedas. In this long poem, Adi Shankara refers to her as Sangeeta Matruka, the mother of music. Sarigama Padani Ratham. She revels in the seven swaras. And this very interesting long phrase, Sangeetam Boruhanubhava Bringi. The Sangeetam is like a lotus and she is like a bee enjoying the lotus, Amboruha. Sri Subramaniam has said this to a garland of 9 ragas. Just like the mala is Navaratna, he's used 9 ragas. It is rendered as a Vrittam. And on this occasion, the sisters perform it not in tandem, but alternatingly, which gives a certain amount of freedom for both, for expansion, as well as they gel together. The Satur banner is held aloft by his daughters, who are performing musicians as well as teachers. And I'm happy to share with you that it is continued by the next generation, which is also immersed in the music of Father. Let us celebrate the great Vidwan.
उपनिषदुद्यान केळी कलकण्ठी ओंकार पंचदशुकी आर्याम् अन्तर्विभावये गौरी आगमविपिनमयूरी दयमान दीर्घनयना देशिकरूपेण दर्शिताभ्युदया वामकुचनिहितवीणा वदना संगीतमातृका वन्दे श्यामतनु सौकुमार्या सौन्दर्यानन्द सम्पदुन्मेषा तरुणिम करुणा पूरा मदजल कल्लोल लोचना वन्दे नखमुखमुखरितवीणा नादरसास्वाद नवनवोल्लासम् मुखमम्ब मोदयतु मे मुक्तातटङ्क मुक्तहसितं ते सरिगमपदनिगतां तां वीणा संक्रांत कान्तहस्तां शान्तां मृदुलस्वान्तां कुचभरतान्तां नमामि अवटुतट घटित चूली ताडित ताली पलाश ताटंका वीणावादन वेल कंपित शिरसं नमामि मातंगी वीणारवानु शृंगं विकच मुखाम्भोज माधुरी भृंगं करुणापूर्ण तरंगं कलये मातंग कन्यका पांगं मणिभंग में चकांगी मातंगी नौमि सिद्ध मातंगी यौवनवन सारंगी संगीता बोरुह अनुभव भृंगी मिथ्या दृष्टांत मध्यभागं ते मातस्तव स्वरूपं मंगल संगीत सौरभं मन्ये नवरत्नमाल्यमेतद्रचितं मातंग कन्यका